Welcome to NB Wisdom World. You have 24 questions. You have 5 seconds to solve each question. You can pause the video if you required more time. So let's get started. 1. The cat is sitting the chair. In, on, at, over. 2. She is going to market. At, to, for, by. 3. The book is the table. Over, by, at, on. 4. He will arrive Monday. In, on, by. 5. We will meet the evening. In, by, on. 6. They have lived here 2010. From, during, since, by. 7. He is sitting the desk. In, on, by, over. 8. She is standing the bus stop. On, in, by. 9. The children are playing the park. In, on, by, over. 10. The teacher is writing the blackboard. On, in, by. 11. I will finish this work tomorrow. In, on, by, over. 12. He was born 1990. On, in, by. 13. She was sitting the riverbank. In, on, by, over. 14. They want to walk after dinner. On, in, for, by. 15. He came a taxi. In, on, by, at. 16. She is afraid the dark. Of, with, from, by. 17. He will arrive noon. In, on, by, at. 18. The book was written Shakespeare. Of, with, from, by. 19. She is good singing. In, with, by, at. 20. The dog jumped the fence. Over, with, from, by. 21. The keys are the drawer. In, with, on, at. 22. She walked the room.
Over.
Into. From. By.
23.
He is interested science. In. With. On.
At.
24. The movie starts 7 p.m.
By.
From. In. Thanks for watching. To this video,